So we're using the 1933 issue of the Handbook for the Rangefinder, Infantry number 12. In the appendices, Appendix 3 to be precise, we have the instructions for dismantling. So, first to remove is the stop screw on the ray shield. Carefully. Then revolve the ray shield to expose the end cap securing screw and locking piece. This is a tiny little screw which I will drop. And pull the securing locking piece back. This enables us to unscrew the end cap and remove the ray shield revolving ring. This exposes the pentagonal prism, which I'm just going to put some gloves on to remove. And slides out gently. This process is repeated on the opposite end. Remove the retaining screw. Revolve the ray shield. And undo the retaining screw. Like so. Slide locking piece back and remove the end cap. Exposing the pentagonal prism. It's just with a little bit of help slides out like so. So to remove the inner frame, we push the stigmatizer lever into action, so towards the body. You hear a click. You then loosen the screws holding the working head. This then twists. Like so. And pulls out. You will be able to see the corresponding part on the inner frame through the hole there. Next to remove is the frame suspended screw, which is underneath the handle. And this comes right out. So, okay, then remove that row shield. The inner frame should, with a little bit of help, slide out. Like so. Turn it, and it will come out with all the working parts. Now you've got everything disassembled, now you can clean the series of lenses that you have within the inner frame, which is the reason why you've taken it apart. Process of reassembly is just everything in reverse. So taking the inner frame, making sure you've got it orientated correctly. It's not an easy process. There's a little button here to be indented on a little spring. Don't force it. There is only one way it will go in, with a bit of twisting. There we go. And then once, to know you've got it back in the right position, you'll be able to see the corresponding lug for the working head through the hole, like so. The difficult part is lining up the stigmatizer lever with the fork on the inner frame, like that, and you'll be able to hear it when it's working. Right, I should go in a bit more, lining up the suspended screw for the frame. It's not quite there, just needs a bit of help. Like that. And you'll know when the frame is in the right place when the screw goes in and locates, there we go, in the corresponding lug on the inner frame. Then replace the working head. Should click in, so. Tighten up the retaining screws. So it's nice and tight. Right, now to replace the pentagonal prisms, making sure you put them back in the right end. These ones of ours are marked left and right, top left, by the original builder. And these just line up with the slots and push in. And we'll put the ray shield back on, and the end cap. That should line up. Be able to see there's a little notch in the end cap. Will line up with the locking piece, which should just slide in, and then the locking screw fits in. Does that like so. Slide. Sliding the ray shield back around until you can see the stop screw hole. That simply screws in. So. And repeat on the right hand side. So the lens slides in nicely. Should do. Okay. To its natural stop. Ray shield in. End cap. All the way round till the locking piece slides in. Too far. So, and the locking screw. The ray shield round. Stop screw goes back in. There we have it. All got together, and hopefully cleaner than before it came out.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Please support us on Patreon if you're able to, and let us know of anything you'd like to see in the future. I look forward to hearing from you.